and storm activity will continue through midday tomorrow. Tomorrow's high at 63 degrees. Then as we head into Sunday, beautiful weather. High temperature up to around 68 degrees. Monday, we're at 80. Tuesday, we're at 82. That is good outdoor working weather. Matthew Jennings, Lakeside Renovation Design, that's the kind of weather you love to hear about when you're working out at your outdoor projects.
I do love it. It means we're getting some production done.
Speaking of production, we're almost done here.
Yes.
What all's left?
We're so close. So literally the countertops went in today. They look gorgeous. All we have left is a small amount of stone to do the tie-in post the countertop installation, a few sills, and then really one big cleaning, and we're ready for the reveal.
What's it taking us? About 6 weeks?
Yep, right about.
And that's about average for most folks. If they're trying to call you and get on the to-do list, you know, they can expect for a deck about this size to take about 6 weeks.
Yep.
It all depends on the weather, though, doesn't it?
It depends on the scenario. It depends on what we're building. If it's just a deck, we can, you know, a lot of times get a deck done in 2 weeks. But if it's a deck and an overhang, yeah, it's going to be somewhere in the 6 to 8 range, depending on what we have.
And every once in a while, we put them behind by a couple hours because we come out here and do updates on the deck.
There you go.
It's been great. We're going to have some of the suppliers out here coming up in the next hour. We're going to talk more about this countertop because this isn't. It looks granite, but it's not granite, right?
It's not, nope.
Awesome. We'll tell you what it is coming up in the 7:30 hour live. It's not official yet, but it will be on Tuesday as we pull the wraps off and cut the tape for the Lakeside Renovation Design Weather Deck grand opening Tuesday, April 27th on Fox 2 News in the morning.